Hello to today's video. Today we will talk about the roughness of parts in technical drawing and the method of evaluating surface roughness. Surface roughness is defined as the sum of surface irregularities with relatively small distances arising as a result of the production technology used, for example milling, turning or casting. The character of the surface is evaluated according to the profile method from the actual profile of surface irregularities. The line that is created by cutting the actual surface with a defined area. The actual surface of the component, the surface delimiting the body and separating it from the surroundings environment, as you can see in the picture, and always differs more or less from the geometric surface, which represents the ideal surface, the nominal shape of which is determined by the drawing, as you can see in the picture. The cut can be made perpendicular to the direction of the prevailing surface irregularities and we get a transverse profile, or parallel to the direction of the surface irregularities and we get a longitudinal profile. From the actual profile taken, three profiles are modified and determined directly in the measuring device by suitable filtering to determine the surface character by profile methods, as well as by motif methods and methods based on the material proportion curve. They are shown in this image. On each roughness profile element, the profile protrusions and depressions can be characterized along with local protrusions and local depressions you can see in this picture. A profile protrusion and its associated depression from what is known as a profile element. The line of the profile projections is a line parallel to the median line and passing through the highest point of the profile in the range of the base length, and the line of the profile depressions is a line parallel to the median line and passing through the lowest point of the profile in the range of the base length. So much for today's video. In the next video we will take a look at the recommended surface roughness value. Thank you and see you next one.